In this video, we are going to look at Virgin Galactic stock. If you have clicked on this video, you might be or must be a Virgin Galactic shareholder or looking to buy Virgin Galactic stock. By any means, this is not a financial advice. You need to do your own research before you invest in this company, because right now this company is a very high risk, very high reward at this price. It can go to zero, it can go to the moon. I was looking at this article that came in Monthly Full today. Where will Virgin Galactic stock be in 5 years? And it says the company is down roughly 82% in the last 5 years. That means since IPO, because its IPO price is $10. Now it is 1.69. That is more than 82 percentage. But if you bought the stock at its peak, $55, $60, then it's much more than 82 percentage. So right now, if you look at the market cap, which is 616 million, however, Virgin Galactic has 0.94 billion in cash. So if they liquidate the company and give out the money to its shareholders, the shareholders will be getting more than 1.69 right now. So it is not even selling for its cash in hand value. Richard Branson started this company around 2004, and so far in 20 years, they have spent many $1 billion to develop the technology. So if you look at that cash and cash on hand, this company is selling for nothing. However, there's a risk because they are burning 125 million a quarter, and they will be running out of money in 2 years unless they can find other financial sources. So that is why this company is going for so cheap, because Fed Chairman Jerome Powell says interest rate will be going to be high for a long time. So there are a lot of unknowns right now. So these kind of companies, it's going to go for that kind of price right now. So it's not going to improve in the short term, but in the long term, we don't know what will happen. And I want to bring an article here in Amazon about Amazon. You know, Amazon went down more than 90% during the dot-com bubble. But even for those who bought in Amazon at dot-com era peak, the investment still paid off. $1,000 purchase of Amazon in December 1999, that's a dot-com bubble period, would be worth 15,500 today. So you don't know what is going to happen for these kind of high risk, high reward companies. And in this article, they bring a good point here. No one knows for sure what this opportunity will be worth over the coming years, but UBS analysis believe it could grow to 4 billion by 2030 as companies invest more capital into their technical capabilities. And I found another interesting article about what is the scope of space tourism in the future. This came to the top of my search saying nearly half of Americans want to travel to space, and some would take on debt to make it happen. So let's go to the key findings. 49% of Americans want to travel to space. If you look at here, this is what the survey is. If money was not an issue, would you ever want to travel to space? And 49% said yes. And another important key findings here is 60% of Americans agree that space travel should be accessible for everyone, not just those who can afford the exorbitant cost. So right now, Virgin Galactic ticket cost $450,000, but initially they sold those tickets between 200 and 250,000 for 600 passengers. But Virgin Galactic is hoping to democratize space to everyone, and one day I think they are hoping they can reduce the price to around 40,000. So the key point for Virgin Galactic to survive right now is they need to survive until they bring in the Delta flight. If they can find funding sources from anywhere now and between they bring the Delta flight, I think Virgin Galactic has a very bright future. If you like the content of this video, don't forget to like the video and share it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification for future Virgin Galactic video.